Hey guys, this is Super Gadget Guide again. My wife just came home and she found the vacuum cleaner. And as I was explaining to her, this is a surprise Christmas present, and she didn't find it very funny, or she was really upset over this present, and this is not going to be her Christmas present. I think what she wanted is a clean house instead, so I am going to keep this vacuum cleaner and actually give her a clean house in return as a present. And in the first part of the house, she told me that I should clean is the doghouse if I want to sleep tonight. So I will go vacuum the dog cage right now because I think I am going to sleep there tonight. So it's definitely a good looking vacuum cleaner, but I wouldn't give that as a present to any female member of the household, of your household. So yeah, just give them a clean house as a present instead of a vacuum cleaner. I think that might have gone much better. So thanks for watching. Yeah, let me know if you have any comments. Post in the comment section. I would greatly appreciate it for any other alternative Christmas presents for your wife or girlfriend. That will be very helpful. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.